I'm making sure it's going to work. Okay, that's it. I know it's going to work now. Because it just went.
Let's go.
Let them land and we're good.
Timer cleared.
Aero Commander.
Yeah, those are cool planes.
You need a big one though.
Somebody sold one at one point. There's a gas one.
Oh shit, let's go.
Yeah, we're running out. I guess I'm in front, huh? No, not at all. I haven't had mine for hours now. I hate how the tail jiggles on this thing. You good on time? You're okay. Taxiing out. Where are you gonna go, Frank? Left to right? Left to right? Because I don't feel wind of any kind, so. I'd rather you go first because you've got cut in front. Your camera just shut off or shut? Okay. You cut in front because you've got ordnance. Go ahead. I'll go behind you.
Gear up.
Where you at?
Coming to you with a gear hanging down.
Gear down. Gear up. Gear down. Gear up.
Shut up. It's working now. Shut up. Shut up. Go.
And flipping it.
Time remaining. 3
That looked
minutes.
really cool. We were kind of close too. Shit. I'll stay behind you. I don't want to be right there. It's too easy to get caught up. Okay.
I'm gonna turn the other way.
Go ahead. I'll be behind you the whole time. That way we don't get crossed up.
Reminds me of that song,
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
This is how.
This is my favorite thing to do with this.
And
Go. I love this thing. Okay, no, I'm not selling it. I can't sell it. Ah. It takes up a ton of room, but I guess it's worth it. Dude, you didn't tell me.
oh, alright. Turning left.
It scared the crap out of me. I looked and there's a
Alright, you're
plane
leading.
there.
Go. I'm behind
I
you
looked
now.
and there's a plane there. I'm like, yeah. All right, I'm getting on it and coming down low. Going up. And whipping around, coming back down.
Nice. That looks really cool.
Because I was right on you. I was like, well, maybe I need to pull up. Okay, let's see if we can do a formation pass.
Okay.
My throttle's off. I'll be closest to us.
Where do you hide a formation like?
Just like next to each other.
That was not bad.
No.
Let's do it. I want to do one like nice and low.
Here, go.
I'm turning left.
Go, I'll follow you.
We'll repeat that same pattern.
Same pattern.
That looks pretty awesome. Look at those two FMS
9,
70
Oh,
Oh
millimeter.
shit, we gotta come
7,
in.
6, 5.
Alright, turning
4,
now.
three,
Where do you want me? Center
2,
line?
Center line, I gotta
One.
catch up.
Time expired.
I'm clean, you're not, so.
How do you mean I'm not clean?
You have ordnance.
Oh!
So I pick up speed faster, I'm coming in.
Gear down.
Because I have to. I remember this thing, it bit me last time.
Landing flat.
It might be downwind, but it's alright. Yeah, just a little downwind, but it'll survive.
I'm gonna come in the other way.
Okay, yeah. I was downwind big time. Whoa, I like this. Gear is nice and wide. I'll stay right there. So come on in. And I'll start taxiing once I see you. Nice. That's how you do it, Frank.
That's how you land at A-10, gentlemen.
That's right. That was perfect.
Dude, no
Flaps
way this
up.
won't get it.
No, it isn't.
Especially
All right.
now that I figured out all the kinks. No friggin' way. Dude, that was a show right there.
Perfect.
That was good.
I gotta put some ordnance on too. I have it at home.
Ordnance!
I gotta bring it.
I guess